Welcome to XENA. Today we're going to talk about installing and replacing the battery in the XZZ6L disc lock alarm. All XENA disc locks come with 3 keys. The XZZ6L series also come with a small metal tag inscribed with a 5-digit number code that you can use to order new keys after you register your disc lock online at xenasecurity.com. Your lock works straight out of the box. Take one of the 3 keys provided, insert, turn the key barrel, and it pops open. To close it, just push down until it clicks. For the alarm to work, you'll need to install the battery. Turn your disc lock over and you'll find the entry point for the Allen key provided. Loosen the bolt inside the entry point and it'll just pop out. Next, remove the alarm module from the lock body. You'll find a silicone gasket covering the battery compartment. Don't forget to replace that after you've installed the battery. Here's the CR2 long-life lithium battery that comes with your disc lock alarm. It'll last about a year under normal use. Before you install it, remember to remove the plastic wrapper, otherwise you're going to get nowhere. Install the battery in the alarm module. Get the contacts right and you'll hear a beep. A few seconds later, you hear an arming beep, letting you know that the alarm is armed. A word of warning, XENA's 120 decibel alarm is very loud. The alarm will go off during battery installation. It will stop sounding and reset to armed mode when the module is replaced inside the lock body. We recommend that you install or change the battery in a place where loud noise is not a problem. Once the battery is installed and the module back in the lock body, the alarm will not rearm until the lock is on your brake disc. Place the alarm module back in the lock body and the alarm will stop. Now you just have to replace the retaining screw and you're done. One note, try and make sure that the mirror that the LED arming sensor uses located inside the lock body remains grime-free and dust-free. That way you'll prevent false alarms. Thanks for watching.